Hey there! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Scratch Events blocks. These blocks are like the magic triggers that set your projects in motion. Let's explore how they work. Imagine you're directing a play. You need to tell your actors when to start their lines. Events blocks are like the stage director's cue cards. They tell your Scratch sprites when to start their actions. When green flag clicked. The most common event block is when green flag clicked. Whenever you click the green flag, the script attached to this block springs to life. It's like pressing the play button on your project. Let's watch this block in action with a quick animation. Step 1. Create a sprite. Drag and drop a sprite onto the stage. Step 2. Add the block. Drag the when green flag clicked block into the script area. Step 3. Add a loop. Attach a forever block to the when green flag clicked block. Step 4. Add movement. Inside the forever loop, add a move 10 steps block. Now, when you click the green flag, your sprite will keep moving forever. Another useful event block is when this sprite clicked. When you add this block to a script, it will only run when the specific sprite is clicked on. This allows you to create fun and engaging games and animations. Let's make the cat's walk more interesting. We'll add a bell sound effect to go along with its steps. We can do this by using when this sprite clicked. Add a bell to the stage. Attach the when this sprite clicked block to the bell script area. Inside the block, add a play sound block. Now, when you click on the bell, it will play a sound. When key pressed. This block triggers a script when you press a specific key. It's like playing a video game, but you're the programmer. Broadcast and receive messages. When you want to coordinate multiple sprites, use broadcast and receive messages. The broadcast message block sends a message to all sprites, while the when I receive message block listens for that message. It's like a secret code between your sprites. Practicing these blocks with other blocks in a digital storytelling project is a fun way to learn and understand them better. Combining events with other blocks. Events blocks are powerful on their own, but they become even more amazing when combined with other blocks. You can create complex behaviors, such as loops, conditions, and animations. The best way to learn how to use events blocks is to practice. You can do this by combining them with other blocks in your digital storytelling projects. The more you practice, the better you'll understand how they work and how to use them to create amazing stories. In our upcoming classes, we will explore fun games and digital storytelling examples to understand how these blocks function. Stay following us for more comprehensive tutorials on mastering events blocks. Events blocks are the heart of Scratch programming. By understanding and using them effectively, you can create a wide range of interactive and engaging Scratch projects. Experiment with different combinations of blocks and bring your ideas to life. So, go ahead, experiment, and let your creativity soar.